Okay, my friends, just to give you an idea of how to make an extremely simple fletching jig that you can use to put on really long feathers for, say, Manchu arrows. I simply took, I think it was a 4-foot chunk of 1x4, or I think it was, yeah, 1x4 spruce, just general stuff out of the lumberyard, pretty simple. Cut it into a couple pieces, and I think I did this one, 13 or 14 inches. I think it's 14 inches. And then I cut a back piece simply to reinforce it, and then the end pieces. And I made the end piece double so that I could cut a slot through it and do it one time for both sides. So quite simply, I just milled a slot. And when I say milled it, it could literally, all I did was use a table saw and run it, and then move it over a little bit and run it again. But I made that slot the same thickness as what my feather clamp was going to be, which ended up being just 2 pieces of 12-inch long, about 1/8 inch thick aluminum, because I had them. And I did the same over here. And then I drilled a hole dead center that I ended up doing about 1/2 inch, because the largest arrow shafts I'd be using was 1/2 inch. So I think I went a little bit larger than that. And then just simply hand cut a slot into here, round it a little bit until I could slide a shaft in and drop it in here. Okay, and then so basically all you would do is take the shaft and slide it in until it drops in there. Okay, and then slide this down to where you want it. And I made the one end a little bit longer so I could put a rubber band on here, and then just put it up there so that it just holds it down. That's all. I put marks on here so that when you had your knock cut, you would line it up with each of these 3 to get your alignment right. And I simply did that by taking a factory fletched arrow, put it in there, and marked the spots where the feathers were. So pretty simple. And then to use this, I got myself, like I said, some plates as a clamp, or as a feather clamp, and then I got some simple spring clips from the hardware store, which was like, I don't know, $8 or $4, something like that, for a 12-pack. And then I don't think I can do this very well with one hand, but you clamp your feather in there. Yeah. This is going to be a lost cause. Hang on. Sorry, that was bad. Clamp that in there. And then put your little spring clamps on here to hold it. Again, extremely difficult to do with one hand. So that's the general idea. I found that it's actually kind of nice for it to stick out a little bit on the bottom, because then it can make sure that it touches. But then apply glue on here. Take it and slide this into the slot that you've milled. Again, a lot easier to do with 2 hands. There we go. And then that will set. All right, now it's not, because it's, yeah, basically that sits down on there. And if you need to, like in this particular one, it wants to sit funny because of the way the quill is, but you can put some rubber bands around it or a weight or whatever on there, and it holds it. And like I said, this will do just short of a 12-inch feather. And you know, these are really bad. I didn't bother finishing this one because I got a short grain break instantly before I even finished it, so I just sort of messed with it to give it a try, but it works. So extremely inexpensive and simple to do if you have a small amount of woodworking tools. So give it a shot.